the double Z block and it's 12 inches. I've made it with 2 colors. I've seen it mostly with 1 color, but I thought I'd be a little bit different. So here is the block. It's all half square triangles. And here is the diagram. So they're all A patches. If you want to make your half square triangles 8 at a time, this is the perfect time to do it. So here's your alternative here. And here are the sizes you cut and the number of patches. Here are the AccuQuilt dies you can use. You're going to make 8 of each of the triangles, light and a dark triangle. You can lay this block out this way, which is interesting, and also this way. So we'll look at that once the block is pieced. Here are the patches that I've cut. These are the background. There's 16 of these, and there's 8 of each of these, the dark and the light. Now I'm just going to go sew the half square triangles. Here are the units, the half square triangles all laid out. And you can also make these with flying geese. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flying geese. You could probably do this with flying geese, but it would get very complicated for me when you use 2 different colors. Every time I've tried that, I get the colors mixed up, the fabrics mixed up. So I just find it easier to chain piece the half square triangles, especially this large size. But anyway, that's another alternative for you. Now let's piece the block. Here is the block, the double Z block, and it's kind of growing on me. When I first saw it, I couldn't decide if I really liked it that much. I mean, it's a nice block, but there's a lot of stuff you can do with this. You can lay it out this way. You can lay it out this way, and it gets a completely different look. And if you had different fabrics around, you get even more. And look, you can even put this on point and it gives something totally different. So I think this is a really nice block. And here's the back. And the front again. Thank you for watching.